All right. Now, who has not put down their win for the week in the
That'd be me.
Facebook? Okay. So those high achiever, like Alicia is straight away, Christine done it, Anna done it.
I was going to do it and I just didn't. I got sidetracked.
Now it's time, ladies, so that we can celebrate your win.
Not in my diary, sorry.
What do you mean not in your diary? Linda, how's things going? Long time no see.
Yeah, a long time. Yep, good.
Beautiful. I was going to do. Yep, go on, Nina.
Are you right? Sorry, Denise.
No, you're right. You were first.
Oh no, Linda, go first.
I'm just working on this reading I'm doing. Day 5, day 6 today. I've got to do yet. Yeah, just some reading I want to do from my past course. And so I'm just reading it to help. So, but it's good. Yeah.
Good. Okay, fantastic. All right. So let's type into the Facebook group that we could celebrate with you, Linda and Denise and Anne-Marie. Okay, I'm going to call names out. So let's celebrate that, Anna. What is it that to celebrate that you were not arrested, so we all could support you? Because
Okay.
Oh, but your child is behind you. Do you want to get him out of the room first?
No, it's all right. He's not paying attention. No, I didn't kick my mother head first out of the car. I was stuck in traffic with her.
Good on you.
So I'm good.
Would you like to elaborate more, or are you just happy to let it rest?
Look, guys, my mum yesterday told me exactly where I fit in the scheme of things when it comes to love. I buy her clothes, I take care of her needs and what have you, and I don't talk about her younger sibling. In fact, I don't care whether she's alive or dead. But I don't hold any ill. I just don't care. Okay, so my mother, I bought her some clothes, and she basically handed one thing over to her sister and said to me, I gave the HOAR, the bra you bought me because I want to hurt you. Exact words.
Nice.
Yeah.
Mm.
So I just.
That's about her.
Yeah, it is.
That's
absolutely.
It's all about her.
Absolutely, Denise. But what it is, okay, when you're on your own and you've got two other siblings that don't participate, she starts and you just turn around and you go, hey, this is not the forum. I'm in the car. I've got to focus on driving. I've asked you not to talk about this. So now I've done delegation, contacted my older sibling and said, you're going to step in and take her to her appointments. I will continue to pay for her fucking needs, and I won't deal with her apart from that. And so my daughter stepped in today and took her to her appointments. She got up, took her medication, got in the car, and my mum goes, but you're not well. She goes, well, if mum comes, you'll be lucky if you survive it, mum, Sparker. So, yeah. So I'm putting things in place. So I think it's pretty good, guys. I'm delegating. Good on you.
Yeah. Yeah, putting up some barriers. It's a good idea.
Yeah.
Boundaries.
Look, I've so you guys know, I look at everything, and I'm pretty sure you've gotten to know me. I always look at everything. I don't just make a rash decision. I accept and I forgive. But she is absolutely without care or does not acknowledge what's happened to my sister or myself. And she continues to remind me of that. So I go, I rang Catherine and said, I've got to do something about this because and she said it's probably a sign because did all this fantastic meditation and what have you, and I'm like, what the fuck? I didn't lose it straight away, guys. It took me half an hour before I just went and exploded because she just kept going and I had nowhere to go. I was in traffic for an hour and a half down this one street. I had nowhere to go.
Great job.
Couldn't even step out of a car.
I hope you breathed with that negativity and
Oh yeah, I had a
Thanks.
shower, cleansed myself, did all that last night, did it again today when I spoke to Catherine. Where are you? I'm in the bath. What? It's 11 o'clock. It don't matter. I've got the crystal.
I'm freaking consulting and you're in the bar.
I'm envious. I don't have a bath and I've had no running water today for nothing. Not a thing.
Ah,
What happened?
A burst pipe at the main house. So lucky I had water, frozen bottles in the freezer, which Tracy keeps complaining about, and I could make myself a cup of tea.
How funny is that?
That's hilarious.
Okay, ladies, please continue to send love to Anna because it's not easy. Okay, drawing that boundary, which has been called for many years, and the star sign align is just like what my son asked. Mommy, you don't even like grandpa. Why are you still doing things for him? We are allowed to dislike our parents as we have outgrown them, and when they have not recognized it and when they have not given us the love, what is appropriate. Not that we need their people anymore, but the fact is, if we continue to allow them to hurt us, we are not living true to ourselves.
No.
We have to live in the now, focusing on the future of where we are. And if they choose not to, it's difficult.
Well, I sent something to Linda in her messenger about healing, which is my words today. And I said, if she would like to utilize that,
I've just got it.
yeah, so you can read that if you like. I mean, it's truly important because it talks about forgiveness and the love, and it talks about the moments, when you have a memory and you go back into your heart, that goes into your soul. And then, those times and moments where you go, was it really like this? Was it really like this? Was it so bad? And then you turn around and you go, love is loud, but tears are louder, because tears can be joy, tears can be sorrow, tears can be just relief and release. And so if you would, it's up to you guys. If you don't want to read it, you can put it on call for the ladies. But I just wanted to show Linda, explain to Linda about the healing process, because we talk about this all the time. And I just felt that was, I just vomited and went, okay, you can use that if you want to.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So you want me to put it on the paw, or?
No, you can talk to the ladies, or you can put it up. I don't mind either way. You can put it on the post. You don't. It's up to you.
Or one of my posts, you mean?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It takes time.
I'll read it shortly.
So especially when you learn to draw the line, yes, it's time to be whole, because the past, we go back, not necessarily willingly, but then they continue to hurt us, then inflicted more wounds, and therefore it's so time. But now when we draw the line is, bless you, I'll just walk away. Okay.
Yeah.
So great job, Anna. And let's move on to
Thank you.
Anne-Marie. You got paid.
Yay!
That's wonderful. Continue to calling it in every time you get paid. Be grateful, and the dollar you spend out, that you call in another $3 to come back in. That's how we multiply. Beautiful. Your stepdad is turning 50. Your stepdad is younger than me. Not allowed.
My mum's like 60.
Oh.
60's not old, thank you.
No.
Yeah, it's not old.
Talking about
To be honest.
my cougars.
Well, I'm 3 years from 60.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm 4 years from 60, but the other way.
All right. I dare you, Linda, not Linda. I dare you, Denise and Anna. Your boyfriend coming in, dropping. I dare you to date a 40-year-old man.
I've already done it.
So I had an absolutely awesome one night stand with a 40-something-year-old guy. Fuck, I'll never forget those 8 hours of non-stop sex.
Okay, for those ladies who are watching the replay, if you are trigger, whether a parent relationship or whether got triggered by Denise, the one night stand. Hashtag thanks, Kath. So we will have a chat privately for the trauma that Denise gave you.
Or I can give you details if you'd rather that.
Okay, so can we put it out there since we're talking about that? I've never done a one night stand, but that we can talk about another time. Okay, let's go.
Sure. No problems.
Sure, I'll put you in a breakout room, you two. Okay, I love that we have some laughters. So have we got any more wins to celebrate today? All right.
Well,
So
I posted mine, so
have you posted yours?
hopefully in the right place.
Could someone see Denise underneath the post? I can't see anything.
Okay, all right, let me have a look.
Just refresh.
I have refreshed, but it's not showing up.
Oh, I put it in pour. Is that where I'm supposed to put it?
Yeah.
Okay, there it is. It's right in the front. My
Yeah.
win is getting to Robinson Barracks, my place of work for about $1,000 of education. Money is flowing to me, also clearing stuff and clarifying me now. Yay!
Good job doing the clearing, Denise.
I've just written a article about it, about now.
About now. Good. All right.
Mm.
Now, one question for you guys. I know we have a topic, but I'm wondering, anyone here been feeling a bit heavy this week?
Absolutely.
The spiritual
Yeah, it's a
thing that's
huge
happening next week is going to make big shifts everywhere.
Tell more, not what is the big shift, Denise?
It's a spiritual shift. Crimson Circle. What's his name? Greg, or whatever his name is. We're talking about how there's a big opening and a big shift spiritually. So a lot of movement. There's already a lot of angels have left the earth, and aliens have all left the earth, and all that sort of stuff. I know you're going to think I'm weird, but that's what I believe.
I believe it.
And that there's an opportunity for a transition into a new you, to a new me, so to speak, and that means cleansing. And for me, that has been part of what I've been doing. I was only told Catherine a couple of days ago that I'd been writing a book called My Book for Me, which I've been writing for a few years now, and I've just added to it today, about how I'm living in the now with a view to the future, only to the future, not thinking about the past at all, and blessed for the past that has happened. So for me, that's a big shift. It means I've made decisions about some things that some of us have been talking about what I should do about some recompense from my ex-partner. That's in the past. I'm not going to dwell on it. I'm thankful for the experience I've had in the past. I have a future to think of, and that future doesn't involve any memories or anything from the past. And I think there's a lot of shifts happening in the world. It'll be really interesting to see maybe what comes up on a global basis. You will have to keep me informed, because I do not keep an eye on the news. I know not what's happening out
Neither
there.
do I.
We don't watch the news. I don't watch the news.
I don't watch the news either.
No, I have a girlfriend who does let me know if the world is going to end according to somebody. But yeah,
Can I
yeah,
jump?
sure. Mm,
There's the planets are aligning, so there is a huge shift.
yeah.
There's absolutely opportunities, but it's heading towards a reset of your awakening.
Mm.
And he's not turning around and say they haven't left. They've had to move. They've had to shift. Right? And
Another dimension. Yeah.
that's right.
Next week?
Sorry?
Which day of the week next week?
The
It's
22nd, sorry.
but it's building up. It's actually building up because we're going through change. I was thinking about this. We spoke about this, Catherine, and we have all been speaking about the change we're all going through. We're all feeling it, right? And if there's storms, it's even made it heavier. I feel the pressure everywhere, and I've got a thunderstorm coming. I don't know. I think it's the first time in a long time anyone heard me say, I need to lie down.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So instead of, we still will go through a topic about creativities, which will be great to see where we have shifted from Monday. But who will be here to object to listen to the sound bowl for 10 minutes?
I'm going to be here.
Okay.
That's
So-
No
fine.
objection. No objection. Sorry.
Okay, good.
Are
Well,
you doing that now?
Yeah.
Okay.
For those who have headset, will be better, in fact, and there will be some guided meditation for relaxation to get in, but also set the intention for yourself and set the intention of the connectiveness with one another. Okay,
So could you please repeat that? I didn't hear that
the
bit.
consciousness of
Yes, of course. Of course.
Whatever you're doing, whatever you're thinking, whatever you're feeling, you can nicely pack them away and just put it aside and say, now is not the time. Let's take one deep breath in and feel that your spine is expanding. And take one more deep breath. And in your mind, bring that smell that you have experienced before, that bring you up to the cloud nine, and knowing that with your sensory, as you smell the fragrance, that is uplifting. And focus on your sensation. It's just like your outer layer skin. You can feel the statics around you. As you can feel, as you could smell. Now I want you to see. Let's transport yourself to a very special place. A place that brings you the warm and fuzzy feeling. That you feel the warmth coming within your heart. And let the energy flow within your heart. You can feel your blood pumping slowly. The oxygen is going in between your mind and your heart. And allow these two energy centers to speak with each other with harmony. As I start, allow yourself to come into this special place. Let's take 3 deep breaths together. Breathe through your nose and a big breath out from your mouth. And slowly take a deep breath in from your lower abdominal. Breathe that in and bring the energy from your lower spine up, up, up to the back. And you feel it from the energy up through your neck to the top of your head. And hold it right there and allow the energy to come through. Channel that through with the energy to expand and let it go. One more time from your lower abdominal. Breathe, 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 breathe. Allow the energy transfer from the lower spine to top of your head and hold it and expand the energy on your crown chakra and take your time and feel slow breath for yourself and allow yourself to come back. You can say sexy legs, Denise. Sorry, who was saying something?
I said that was perfectly timed. Thank you very much.
Cool. Glad that you
did
made
that.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure you guys drink heaps of water. It's the vibration of the sound bowl to help you detox. Well, Denise found a very comfortable place. How do you find it, Linda?
It was good. It was really good.
Excellent. Anyone want to share or any reflection or your experience?
For me, it was a good way of chilling out or calming myself down after a huge big day. Great day, but a big day.
I'm
I
glad
was
that
so buzzy and like how you get when you have to switch on. You're dealing with people. So you had the open day and met lots of people. So I was doing lots of demonstrations and talking all day and on my feet all day. So that was just perfect.
good. Anyone else want to share? Thanks, Evie. And now you got your mic unmute.
Sorry. Have I got a mute? Yeah, can anyone hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I went straight into it when I started hearing. I think you could all, I don't know about you guys, but ever since I started doing the deep meditation, I find myself getting quicker and quicker into meditation.
Good.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Much softer now for you. The energy much softer. Okay, one word. Be kind to yourself, lady, this week. There's a lot happening. Whether it's, the universe or on this earth, is a lot of things is going to happen. So be kind to yourself. Whatever comes your way, they're going to be challenged, but get yourself centered, and that's what really you could be as creative as you want.
Sorry. I'm still, it's surreal. I'm still waking up. I don't know how to explain it.
You're drunk. 3D well. Okay. All right. Now, anyone needs support? We probably would not go into the topic of creativities, but anyone needs support for the week? Personal, business, relationship, kids, husband, partner, future boyfriend.
Where is he?
Well, my daughter did my cards last night, so it was quite interesting. Just like the pendulum crystal, it said, Robert still misses me, wants me, loves me. Yeah, marriage, blah, blah, blah. And Becky's coming.
Who is that is coming?
Oh, Becky's coming. This is somebody coming. Oh, I like that.
You have to be here to use the energy. Okay. But that's my toy.
I like that.
Okay,
You know
that's
what?
so much. Let's keep it clean. That's beautiful.
I have a story.
Yeah, go for it.
I'll show you.
Mm-hmm.
Have I showed you my crystal corner before? It's not.
Yeah, I've seen
Oh,
your
hang on,
crystal
I'll take-
corner. I was just
Okay.
looking at my corner what to show. Yeah, but your corner,
So,
yeah.
there.
Was the didgeridoo.
Oh yeah, that's like an artifact. Oh, see this crystal here?
Yeah,
That's a pendulum.
yeah.
That's I think it's dragon's blood.
uh,
I always have it facing the corner,
yeah.
and I think because there's so much energy in here, it always shifts every single time I look at it. It moves it by itself too. I always line it up to the corner of the frame,
Mm-hmm.
and it's always sitting this way. I don't know. I don't know.
We probably need to do some cleansing for our cool. So everyone feel much lighter, not as heavy as before.
No, I feel much lighter.
Fantastic. Now, who is coming to the Quantum Leap retreat? Now,
Is that this weekend?
no.
Or is that in April?
First week of April, because I want to give you guys plenty of time for the 2 full day. I want you to be fully in it.
Because I saw 2 dates there, and I was like, mate, I'll just ask you first.
Yeah, the 18 and 19 is too soon because, like, you know, I didn't give you guys enough time to prepare. And plus, a lot of you have to organize childcare, or the other side of the world also need to organize few things. So, yeah.
Wait, no, I can't. I don't have childcare.
What are you talking about? You don't have child.
Well, that's on the weekend, right?
Yeah, Saturday and Sunday. So talk to Ruby and Naomi. They're too old enough to feed their siblings.
Yeah, I will.
It will be very important for me to have you guys full attention because it's your power. It's your true power to ignite your true power. The 2 full day is going to be much deeper than just the 5 days challenge because we're going to dig very deep. That to ignite your power, to increase your self-power with love, connections, and confidence. Saying goodbye to your old self and welcome your new version.
Oh yeah.
And who wouldn't want that?
Am I?
And I'm actually very excited because every time I think I'm going to give you ladies something, I think I'm the one who benefit the most. But I often have transformation with you guys at the same time. For those who have done a couple of
As
retreats,
it should be.
yeah. Anyone want to share that your experience on whether it's in person or online retreat? How would that be like? You know, especially those who have been here for a while.
I think the benefit of doing it physically is that we're more powerful when we're together. As in, I know everyone, there's power through the Zoom, but when we were together and we were holding hands or we were touching, it just amplified. Linda, you were there. Evie, you were there. We amplified it for you, Anne-Marie, through the Zoom. But, you know, it really was an amazing trip last year in Queensland. When we were just buzzing. I mean, Evie and I spent, 72 hours, 48 hours where we were just up. We couldn't go back to sleep.
So much
But yeah,
clearing,
but
so
it
much
was-
clearing was done, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So
And
many
it's,
layers were released.
yeah, it is, it's amazing. But I also know now there is so much power through the screen. But the only way it works is without any interference, which means no mobile phones. It means no electronics apart from your computer. And that's probably why they say that the strongest time to meditate is between 1 and 4 because it's absolutely fucking nightmarish. It's night, it's dark, you put your candles on, but there's power in there, but you're alone when you're doing it. So So
Stop waking me up at 3:30.
I've done it.
I'll be getting up at 3:30. Just done.
I've done.
Okay. So what is more special is you will have my full attention for the 2 full days with you guys. Okay. So I would like to have your word that for those who already sign up, that you're going to put your full attention, not just for me, but for yourself.
Absolutely.
Important for all of you.
100%.
Yeah, absolutely.
Transform. Yes, we notice the difference, but there's always the next level.
Yeah.
We
And
do it at 4:30 in the morning. Start early.
You can. You can look, guys. I mean, like, Catherine, you're the expert. I learned that early morning between 1 and 4 is very strong. But I've also done it 4:35 and had the same result.
Mm.
No, I meant the weekend, darling, not just meditation.
Well, you'll be in Adelaide, so you're half an hour later than us. We start at 10, and for
Yeah.
our American ladies, trying to be fair to them, Christine had to do the light hour most of the time. So, Christine, we think
That's
about
fine.
you. Yeah, 10 to 4 for Melbourne time.
Is daylight savings finished then, or we still got a little bit?
Will be half, which means it will be still.
It'll
Well,
be
we-
daylight on Saturday. It'll be the same time, and on Sunday it'll go to daylight savings.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
Is that the, is that the 2nd of April? Or
second
Yeah.
of
next weekend?
April will be your 10 a.m. as
Change.
well, Linda.
Yeah.
Yes, we go back the same time zone with Queensland.
That's
But
good.
Adelaide is always half an hour behind, right? At least, whether it's daylight saving or not.
They're always
Only
behind.
half an hour. Only half an hour.
I
Only
know
half
it's
an hour.
only half an hour.
But
But daylight
like
saving
Queensland and Northern Territory.
Look at Linda's face. Oh, there's Linda. Yeah.
Would you like to say something, Linda?
No, I'm not.
She's exhausted.
Well,
It's
Thursday
Thursday.
is always a long day for her.
Yeah.
Mm.
We'll be the fly on your wall, Linda. Thursday is a long day, but she's still committed, coming, showing up every Thursday.
Mm.
That's a great commitment. Look at your smile, Linda. Just love
Mm.
that.
Right. Exciting.
Beautiful. Seriously, everyone has no issues. Don't need any support from everyone.
Well, I told everyone what I was going through, so it's all clear.
Is that-
Yep.
Great job.
Can I just say, if anyone's got any prayer requests, please send this way.
Definitely. And I'm sure you cover us in prayer every day. Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Thanks, Linda.
Thank you.
Just help me, just pray for me to jump through all the government hoops.
And
that care package is approved, but then I still have to do some more.
our prayers are with you. And if that doesn't work, there's a cargo bay with your dad's name on it and a plane ready to go.
Yeah. Well, we could
I
send
know
them
about red tape.
You know all about that.
Crimson tape it is now. It's not red.
Yeah. Well, that one I definitely can't say it here on recording. Denise warned me very much.
So, Catherine, is that your dad you're talking about?
Yeah, it's all the home care package, and my girlfriend is in England now. She used to run the nursing home in Hong Kong, but like just texting, see which way. So I most likely will need to make another trip back to Hong Kong to get things settled. And I've done my duty. I only call it as a duty. I'm not doing with
Yeah.
love. Sorry, ladies.
No, I everything I did for my mother, I did out of duty, not out of love. So I know where you're coming from.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
For my dad, it was all for love, but for my mum, it was all duty.
Mm.
Understood.
He still bleeds though. He's a human being who
Yes,
brought me
yeah.
up, and
That's
but
right.
it's his choice. He
Mm.
choose not to leave, and how much more we need to suffer with them.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
it's a long road, but the fact is, it grieved me. I just have to acknowledge it. It's just like Anna, isn't it?
Mm. It is.
Okay, where's Anne-Marie driving to?
Pick
Don't
up
talk.
some child.
Yeah.
I have to pick up Ruby from production rehearsal and then drop her off at the train station because she's going to watch the footy.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I need to go and watch the footy. I managed not to watch the footy for over 30 something years. Okay, be
Let's
careful.
be honest, it's pretty annoying.
Okay, be careful. I heard that the new camera is being installed in all the suburb to catch you using your mobile phone.
Oh. Lucky
You
I'm
don't
not
just
touching
lose
it
your-
then.
You don't just lose your money, you lose your license, darling. So I need to install this app that while I'm driving, no one can call me or text me.
Oh,
Oh,
just
really?
put it on. Just
Don't
put it
you have
on
Bluetooth?
Silent.
focus.
Don't you have Bluetooth?
Yeah, well, if I still look at the phone, they're going to do something. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm determined not to let the government to take anything from me. Okay. All right. Now, really, it just dropped that be kind to ourselves this week. Okay. No matter where challenge comes our way. And support one another behind the scene, go behind my back and talk about me.
We have more interesting things to talk about than you.
That's right. You said it, baby. I've got a pendulum here. We can swing it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so be confident, be you, and the love is coming.
Lots of it, I hope.
Woohoo!
Love you all. See ya.
Bye, darling.
Bye.
Okay, take care. Bye bye.